some gorgeous, gorgeous, beautiful bows out of this red and gold velvet ribbon, and it is really pretty easy to work with. I like that it's reversible. We're making this for our Halloween Creepy Elegance collection, but you can certainly use this at Christmas too, because it's a beautiful ribbon. It's got this really cool creepy velvet look for Halloween that I want, kind of like that vampire cape type feel. And but for Christmas, of course, this is exactly what Santa would be wearing when he was getting all dolled up. So I'm going to dovetail my first tail, and these are going to be funky bows. So if you've never seen a funky bow, what that is the tails will go up and the tails will go down. So it's super easy to work with. Okay, I'm going to come in here and come to the center and twist and have a tail going up, and then I'm going to start my loops. One loop at 6 inches and twist, and one loop on the right at 6 inches and twist. Okay, very good. And we're going to do the same thing as we come down here, 2 on each side. And I'm going to twist, my right hand goes forward, my left hand goes back, and it's a simple 2 loops here. These are very easy bows, and then I'm going to scrunch it down. So I have a tail up, a tail down. The tails are at 8 inches, and the loops are at 6 for this project, okay? If you don't have an easy bow maker, we do have an affiliate link also in our description here on the post. Make sure you like, subscribe, and follow wherever you're watching us. And make sure you watch and do that same thing to your other favorite creators. Any content they're making, because it really helps support them and their families. And that way they can keep making this content for you. Now this tail I'm going to make a little shorter. And I'm going to go about 7. 7 right here, and I'm going to twist it. And now my loops are going to be at about 5. 5, twist, and one loop on this side at 5, and I'm going to keep my fun little tail, okay? So you can see how cute and simple these are. I'm going to dovetail that also. So just dovetail, you just fold it and you cut up to the corner of the fold. And then what you're going to do now is we're going to take it off the bow maker. So I'm going to run my little cable tie right beside the middle post, and I'm going to get some tension. And yes, I use cable ties for my bows. They make you get that center nice and tight. And guess what? That's a huge advantage when you're fluffing out this bow right here. Okay, so you want to make sure you're fluffing each loop out. Oh my gosh, this is giving that cool, it's giving me that cool vibe that I'm looking for. Really beautiful. Now flip that around, add a cable tie underneath, and get this tight. Trim that off. And our last and final step will be come down the middle with a little strip of this ribbon to kind of finish off the center. And what I usually do is, because I want to get a couple of different centers out of one, I'll just go down the middle right here. And then I'm going to take and cut it like this and go right in the middle. All right, just tie a little knot, and then you are good to go. Your bow is done, Blumerinos. Okay, I can't wait to see what you make. Come and share it with us. Bye, everybody.